In this video I'm going to show you how to save audio on Facebook Reels. That is quite simple and easy to do, guys, so let's begin. And first open up Facebook app and now just scroll down for a bit until you find Reels and short videos right there. You can hit at any reel and now you can go through them. Just swipe up to switch to another reel and let's say I want to save audio from that reel. All I have to do is hit here at audio and it brings me to that page where I can hit at play button and listen to that audio again, and also there I can hit on save. Now it's saved and I can find it under audio when I creating a reel, and also I can use it right now. I can hit at use audio, then tap continue, tap OK, then OK again, and now I can use this audio while creating my new reel. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.